Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff, including what the next arena season is going to be. So yeah, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers and I really want to hit it by the end of the month, so please subscribe. So the next arena season, this is what the trophies are going to look like. I'm guessing that this is going to be like a robot season or a bug season, because this eye kind of looks like it could be a robot, but then these are kind of like whatever you'd call it, bug's legs, and then there's like pincers that a bug would have. So here is what the silver one would look like. It's basically the exact same, and then we also have the gold one. So this is what the next arena season would look like, but I also have some other leaks for you guys, so I will show you those. So we have like a table hockey, which would be a house item. Pretty much every single leak in this is going to be a house item, because that's what the leakers have found right now. Also, shout out to my first mate Craig on Prodigy Wiki Fandom. He's found pretty much all of these, so I'm using these stuff that he has found. So the next one we have, I actually have this in the game because this is like something that you can get through hacking. It's kind of like a window. This is kind of like a spring one. You can see leaves are sprouting off the buds. We have a summer one with some apples. All of them have a house. This one is a fall one, and then we have a snow one for the winter. So we don't need to look at that, but we do have like a chalkboard. I can't really tell what's on it, but that is one of the items. Then we have this globe, which kind of looks like a holograph. Like down here you can kind of see a holograph. It's blue, making you think that it would be a holograph. Then we have like this moon thing, which hopefully Starlight Festival is coming back. It's been a very long time since that's been here. It hasn't been here for a year because I have not made a video on it at all. Then we have like this chair, could be in the next arena season, which will come in about 40 days, I'd say so. Then we have this poison dart frog chair. We have this golden toilet, which I honestly think looks very cool. I don't know why, it just looks cool. And yeah, that's going to end up the leaks. I will check and see when the arena season will end. And by the way, I'm finally unbanned. I was able to do a battle the other day, so I will start doing battles. 27 days left, so I won't be able to finish it, but I will be doing battles next season and doing live streams. So yeah, that's going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.